So here we have the fourth question of SOP 4 variable K-map simplification. We have this given Boolean expression in terms of min terms. So you know what min terms represent. Min terms are for SOP expression, sum of products, where each min term, it represents a particular Boolean term, such as 0 stands for A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, 1 stands for A bar, B bar, C bar, D, 2 stands for A bar, B bar, C, D bar, and so on. Okay. Now you have already been given in terms of min terms, so it becomes very easy to mark the respective cells, mapping of the Boolean expression. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 11. Okay, so it is done. Now what we have to do is to form the groups. Okay, so always remember the rules of group formation. 2 to the power n members in each group, 2 to the power n cells in each group, maximum number of cells in each group, minimum groups to be formed. So here you see these 4 cells, they are adjacent to each other, so we can form a quad here, this, okay, this. Also these 4 cells, this one 0, 1, 4, 5, 0, 1, 4 and 5, these 4 cells are also adjacent to each other, so we can form another quad here. Okay, please pay attention how the groups are formed. This one quad here accommodating marked cell 0, 1, 3, 2, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and this quad 0, 1, 4, 5. Okay, again pay attention, cell 0 and 4, these 2 cells and these 2 cells, they are also adjacent. Okay, I have already told you this in the group formation video, grouping of cells. I have already told you all the rules in detail. There are 4 or 5 rules. I have already shown you how different ways in which groups can be formed in that video, and also while discussing questions related to 3 variable K-map. So we know these 2 cells and these 2 cells can be grouped to form a quad. These 2 cells and these 2 cells, they can be grouped to form a quad. So until now 3 quads are formed and only this marked cell is left behind, so we can form a pair involving this cell and this cell, cell number 3 and this cell number 11. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 groups. 4 groups are there. So for this 4 groups we have to identify the common variables. So please pay attention. Okay, one quad is formed here, one quad is formed here, one quad is formed these 2 cells and these 2 cells, and one pair is formed involving this cell and this cell. Okay, so now let us find the common variable. So starting with this pair and one here, these 2 pairs, let us write the variables, the horizontal variables A bar, B bar, A, B bar, C, D, this. So you can see in the vertical side CD is common in both the cells. Okay, CD is common in both the cells. So CD will be there, and in the horizontal side we have B bar common in both the cells. B bar is common, so B bar will be there, B bar. So B bar CD, one of the common variables is B bar CD. Next are all quads. Okay, now first this quad, okay, involving cell 0, 1, 3, 2. Okay, let us write it down. Okay, so C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar, and the horizontal component is A bar, B bar. So it is very straightforward. In the horizontal side we have A bar, B bar common in all the cells, but in the vertical side we have nothing in common. See, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, up to this point C bar is common. Here it is CD, so C is changing, we have D common in these two cells. Again CD, CD bar, C is common in these two cells. So nothing is common in the 4 cells combined together. So nothing common from the vertical side. We have only A bar, B bar and the horizontal side which is common. So for this quad involving these 4 cells, the common set of variables are A bar, B bar. Now we will consider this quad, this 0, 1, 4, 5. Let me write down 0, 1, 4, 5. Let us write the horizontal and vertical variables. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, C bar, D bar, C bar, D. So you see, in the horizontal side we have A bar common in the horizontal side, and in the vertical side we have C bar common, C bar common. Okay, A bar, C bar. So here for this quad the common set of variables are A bar, C bar. Okay, now there is only one group remaining, another quad, these two, this 2 and this 2 cells, 0, 4, 2 and 6. Okay, let us write the horizontal and vertical variables. A bar, B bar, A bar, B and C bar, D bar and CD bar, CD bar. So here you see in the horizontal side we have A bar common in the horizontal cells, the horizontal components, A bar. The horizontal side A bar is common. In the vertical side we have D bar common. So here in this quad we have A bar common from the horizontal side, D bar common from the vertical side. So the common set of variables are A bar, D bar. So this is the simplified Boolean expression for this given SOP expression given in terms of minterms. Okay, so this is the 4th question, I think. Okay, so we have simplified the Boolean expression using K-map.